Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Civic steering wheel emblem. It's crucial to understand that this modification is highly discouraged due to significant safety risks. The emblem is typically an integral part of the airbag cover, designed for your protection. Tampering with it can compromise the airbag's functionality, potentially leading to serious consequences in an accident. Please proceed with extreme caution. The steering wheel emblem isn't just decorative, it's often molded directly into the airbag cover. This design ensures the airbag deploys correctly and safely. Attempting to pry off the emblem can damage the cover's integrity or even the airbag mechanism itself. Such damage could lead to an accidental deployment, or worse, prevent the airbag from deploying when you need it most. It's a critical safety component. The risks associated with removing the emblem are substantial. If the airbag system is compromised, it might not deploy in a crash, leaving you unprotected. Repairing a damaged airbag module can be very expensive, often costing hundreds of dollars or more. Furthermore, altering safety equipment could potentially violate vehicle safety standards, impacting your insurance or future resale value. Safety should always be your top priority. Instead of risking your safety, consider safer alternatives. Many companies offer custom emblem overlays that simply adhere over your existing emblem, providing a new look without any risk. Another option is to purchase a completely new, pre-customized airbag cover from a trusted supplier. For any modifications involving safety components, always consult a certified Honda technician. They can advise on safe and compliant ways to personalize your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.